Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the Aadhar self-service update portal or the Aadhar app. This is faster than visiting a center for a phone change. Enter your 12-digit Aadhar, then choose Update Demographics and select Mobile Number. You will upload a scanned ID if required and enter your new mobile number. Once done, request an OTP to the new number. This proves control. Make sure your ID supports the change so the system accepts the request. Once you receive the OTP on the new phone, enter it right away to verify ownership. Delays can expire the code. The portal may ask for a scanned document. Upload a clear image of the accepted ID type and crop so text is legible. You will see a preview. Review every digit of the mobile and your Aadhar name to avoid rejection. After confirming, submit the update request and note the URN. This tracks progress, so save it somewhere secure. You finish by tracking the update request number online. Enter the URN on the portal to see status changes. Processing typically takes 3 to 7 days. When approved, you get an SMS and can download the masked e-Aadhar showing the new mobile. If the request is rejected, the portal states a reason, maybe document mismatch or poor scan, so correct that and resubmit. Troubleshooting tip: if SMS never arrives, verify the new number's network and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.